Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make cacio e pepe today, and it's one of my favorite dishes because it's amazing and it tastes so good. But it's all about technique, and I'm gonna show you the tricks. Okay, so what you wanna start with is boiling water, okay? Remember the simmer, and this is the boil, okay? We want the boiling water. And you're gonna season your water and you're gonna make it taste as salty as the sea. And what I mean is, I use kosher salt, but like generous, right? And a lot of people freak out at this point and say, oh my God, that's so much salt. But the salt has to come from somewhere because the pasta doesn't have any salt. And always taste your water. Okay, so I'm getting a really nice steam here. The water's boiling. I'm using fresh pasta today, but you can use dried pasta. It's going in my salty water, as the salty as the sea, and that salt should really almost hit the back of your throat. If you choke a little, that's a good sign. So I'm gonna give it a little tiny shimmy, and I'm actually gonna move this to my back burner, and I'm gonna make the sauce, okay? Okay. That's gonna do its thing there. And I'm gonna make a sauce here. So I'm gonna turn this on very low heat, okay? I love this recipe because it's literally black pepper, butter, and Parmesan cheese, okay? Super easy. So I'm gonna go in with my butter, not too much. And then it's all about the black pepper, okay? So you want to start getting tired, basically, okay? When I worked at Italy in New York City, it was 40 cracks of black pepper, okay? So it was one of those big ones, so it was a workout. Oh, we would actually take turns. Okay, I think I'm almost getting there. I'm gonna add a touch of water. And what that does is creates a sauce, okay? So I really want you to see this. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter, because you can't go wrong, okay? And a touch of salt, just a pinch, because I'm gonna also use my pasta water, right? So what I wanna do here is very gently melt this butter, okay? But I don't wanna use high heat because I don't want the milk solids to separate from the fat, okay? And what I mean by that is when you have high heat, the fat will split and it will stay at the very top. Do you see how beautiful this black pepper sauce is? You want it to be velvety texture, okay? Pasta never waits for the sauce waits for the pasta, okay? So my sauce is ready. I'm gonna have this off the heat. My water is boiling here. I'm gonna check on my pasta. And I'm gonna taste it just to make sure it's perfect. It's getting there. It's really al dente right now, but I want it to be just a little al dente because I'm gonna finish in my sauce, right? Okay, let's check on the pasta again. Perfect, we're gonna strain it. Okay, so I just wanna show you. So what I did was I strained it, but I left some of the pasta water aside, okay? It's still in this pan. I'm gonna move it to the side and I'm just gonna leave it. So in case my pasta starts to sort of seize in this pan, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And now we do a little action here, okay? And again, you want it to be pretty low heat, okay? So I've cranked it right now just to bring the pan back to that temperature that we want. I'm just doing a little bit of cheese. I'll do some more after. Okay, I just want to show you. So when I put the pasta in this pan, it was pretty runny, right? Check this out. It's almost gone. So this is where you start adding that pasta water, right? Basically, you want to do this until you start really getting a creamy texture, okay? Oh yeah, look at that, almost there. Do you see that beautiful creaminess? Do you see that? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. So now it's like this perfect creaminess, okay? So that Parmesan cheese, that butter, the low heat, the starch oozing out from that pasta, that's what makes the sauce, okay? So check this out. Look at this. It looks like I added cream to it, okay? This is what you want to see. Now I know it's ready. So let's plate. So you're gonna go like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, so good. There's never too much Parmesan. Okay, I'm ready to try this. I'm gonna just destroy this whole thing. There's no sexy way of eating it. I never use a spoon, okay? It's so good. I love this recipe because who doesn't have pasta in their pantry? Just such a simple weeknight dinner. So good. It's so good. Cacio Pepe. So simple. You got the techniques and the tricks. It's gonna be in the recipe, in the description as well. You gotta make this. See you guys next time.